Okay, in this example, we're going to create another kinematic scenario. To start with, let's start creating our joints. The first joint that I'm going to create is, of course, my fixed joint. I'm going to fix that object there. Now I'm going to create a prismatic joint between that as the base element, that is the linked element, and the direction is going to be off this edge here, going that way, and again I'm going to give this a name. We'll call it move this time. Now, let's go create our scenario. We'll call this test. Why not? You know what? Let's call this motion. I'm going to add date. Give that a distance of, again, I don't know, 10. Why not? Add date of 0. And let's hit animate. If all goes well, we should see these arms and everything move with it. It's interesting. Now, why didn't that motion go along with it? Simply, it's because Topsolid doesn't know that these items need to move when this item moves. So to tell it that that needs to happen, we're going to create what's called a rigid set. A rigid set is basically a set of elements that need to move in unison with each other. After we've created the rigid set, we can now go ahead to kinematics, animate, hit play, and everything moves again. And here, if we wanted to run a collision control set, we could go ahead and create a collision control set between perhaps, give it a name first, between that element and that element. Why not? Animate that one more time. Again, we still don't see it. It's because we got to turn it on. And now with the collision control, it'll tell you when it actually hits.